Oh dear. You're wearing that again. You're wearing that yes, that thing. You're wearing it 90% of the time. I know it's comfortable, but not when you look in the mirror. Yes, I know it's comfortable, but you feel like shit. You avoid mirrors, you hate it, you never feel good about yourself when you wear it. We need to get rid of it. Immediately. I know. Yes, just come here. Listen, it's for the best. I swear. Well, come on. Come here, please. Come. Yes, you. Now, please. Thank you. Well, what we need to do first is get you out of those. So, take it off. Yes, that's good. So, you have taken it off right now. And the next step is to draw a line just in between the bottom and the top half. Because, yes, it's time for the most scary part. The beginning. You know what that means, right? It's time to cut. Cut it in half. Just cut it. Well done. By this point you are kind of freaking out because, oh damn, you done it. You have made a start with destroying it. But we're not done yet with destroying it. We're not even building it up first. No. We also need to destroy the bottom half. Yes. It's very simple really. Just get the pants and then cut along the inside seam of your legs all the way down to your crotch and then down to the other leg again. It's really that simple. That's it. It's done now. It's destroyed. There's no way going back. The only thing left to do is make something new out of it. Move forward. It's gonna be grand. Well, at least I hope. I have no idea. I'm kind of terrified now. Like, it's destroyed. It's destroyed. I can't go back, and I love wearing it. Not the fact that I feel like, I don't know, but it's so comfortable. Well, it was so comfortable. It's now just fabric. Just fabric. I'm terrified. Let's see how this is gonna all end up being like, shall we? Okay, yeah, every reason to be terrified. I'm not certain if I did a great job. Here I'm just trying to pin it and then realizing, yeah, this is not going to stay on my hips, so yeah, moved to the ground and then got distracted by a bunny that needed cuddles. Yeah, see, just she left. And then I went on and pinned where I thought the side seams would be. Like, I had no idea really what I was doing. I just needed to do it quickly and then fit it on my body, you know? Try it on and then, yeah, see? Try it on and then make it more fitted to my body. It is stretch material, so I not to worry to put in zippers. I did in the end upper side of the sides. I don't know if I explained it right, but anyway, I tore these bits so that I could fit in buttons. You don't need to do that if you have a stretchy material, or even if you have a original dungaree. Those already have the buttons and you don't need to do that, and it will probably end up a lot nicer. But anyway, the next step is to sew those side seams. Well, they're not side seams, they're more front and back seams, because the side seams were kept intact. So just sew that. There are so many things I wish I'd done different in this project. I wish I didn't bother with buttons. You'll see in the end, but anyway. So once you've done the side seams, cut off the excess fabric and then zigzag all the raw edges so they won't fray. And then the obvious step is to attach the bodice to the bottom. Make sure that the middle is in the middle, obviously. Do the same thing for, well, the back. Yeah, then sew those bits together. When I finished that, I first tried it on and tried things with the sides to see where I needed to tuck them in, so for buttons. Also, I noticed a little weird bumpy thing in the front, so I went back into the first stitch I made to make it more straight so that it wouldn't look bulky around my stomach, because it looked weird. So then just do the side things, like neaten them up. I didn't. I made an attempt to, make everything neat looking. I failed at that, but here's my attempt. And then here's the final mistake, making for buttonholes. Buttonholes? Gee, I don't know how to say that anymore. Anyway, I did that, and then I needed to figure out where to place the buttons correctly. So I did, well, this. It didn't really quite work because after all, I believe I sewn the same button on at least 5 times to only realize the first time was correct. But anyway, I did that. Well, correct. So it's an over. Yeah, it's not quite right. But I did it because, well, there are already holes in, and I kind of wish I just went for a just pulling it over my head type of dress, and not a with buttons on the side seams. Did you see that? Did you see the sides? They look awful. They look absolutely awful. They don't look neat. They look weird and bulky. I really need to get back into that because, yeah, that doesn't look right. But not right now, because I'm kind of done with this project and I'm not certain how I feel about it. So I'm gonna move on to the next project this week. But yeah, I will show you the end result right now here anyway, being kind of awkward. Also, doing this thing on the staircase, it was kind of too tight to really move my legs, so I ripped a hole in it. That's great. That needs fixing now too. Lovely. Might think it's too long. I feel like it looked like a stick in it. But let me know what you think. And here, look! This is when I noticed how shit the sides looked. Great moment. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're new to this channel, I don't always do a terrible job. I'm getting better, I swear. If you want to stick around and see if I actually do become better, perhaps subscribe or something. Give a like to this video even though the thing I made is not good. Oh, bye now.